Hey, it's Vas here from Metro Hobbies, and today is a very exciting day for me because this guy has finally arrived. It is the E-flite V900. I am a big fan of going fast with aeroplanes, and this plane promises to go 120 miles an hour, and I'm very much looking forward to seeing what this thing can do. Super excited to get it out of the box and take it out for a flight. So without further ado, let's open her up and let's see what this thing has inside for us. I'm so excited about this. Now this is available as well in two versions. You've got the plug and play, which of course you'll need your own receiver for and your own radio. And then of course you've got the bind and fly, where you will of course bind to any Spectrum radio. Okay, so now I've got this opened. So we've got our manual there, so you make sure to read all that for your instructions. Get this tape out of the way. And then we have our main wing, which looks as though it's all one piece. All servos and everything is already pre-installed. Now this is it sealed? Yeah, this is all sealed up, so I'm not going to take it out of the bag. But you can see it's got a nice little grip there underneath for you to grab it and obviously throw the plane. All your leads and everything is already sticking out of the top, so all you got to do is make your connections to your receiver and you're good to go. Inside here, a couple of little bits of foam, we'll get them out of the way. And another little bit here. And we'll get the main fuselage out of the box very gently. There it is there. This looks so cool. It has an absolute monster motor on the front right there. It does have a plastic spinner in pre-mounted on the plane, but there is an aluminium spinner included as well, which looks really nice, so I'll definitely be putting that one on. The canopy, how does it attach? There's no release mechanism. I'm assuming this just pulls out. There we go. It's just magnetic. So this is the plug and play version. So it comes with a 60 amp ESC, so quite a monster ESC included. Servo's already pre-installed. You do need to connect the ESC to the motor, so the ESC does not come connected to the motor. So you can mount that wherever, depending on your receiver and the rest of it. So very nice. Looks to be very well built. A little bit of balsa underneath here for some extra strength. Plenty of airflow holes on the back as well. And then of course you've got your tail, your elevator, which is this one here. And that requires just a little bit of installation where you've got to connect it to the control horn that's here. They also give you, I noticed there's a little bit of tubing here for you to put over the clever so that it doesn't open up during those high speed passes. And that is pretty much it for the V900. Very well built. I absolutely love this plane. I've been looking forward to it for such a long time, and now it's finally here at Metro Hobbies. So if you like going fast, if you know how to handle planes like this, come and get one, because yeah, I'm going to snap one up as soon as I possibly can. That is it for this unboxing and quick look at the new E-flite V900. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a like. Thank you all very much for watching, and I'll be speaking to you all next time.